Top headlines for the day.
जब हैरी मेट सेजल की प्रमोशनल टीम की दाद देनी पड़ेगी। मिनी ट्रेलर्स और डांस क्लब मीटअप से लेकर इन्होंने सारे पुराने तरीकों को तोड़ मरोड़ कर कैसे भी मिस्ट्री कायम रखने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है। और अब तो बस कमाल ही हो गया जनाब, क्योंकि JHMS अब बन गई है पहली ऐसी बॉलीवुड फिल्म जिसे प्रमोट किया जा रहा है हेलीकॉप्टर से, और वो भी उसके रिलीज डेट पर। इस प्रोमो इवेंट पर मेन एक्टर शाहरुख और अनुष्का दिखे डायरेक्टर इम्तियाज अली के साथ दिल्ली में एक यूनिवर्सिटी में अपनी अति चर्चित फिल्म को प्रमोट करते हुए। यहाँ शाहरुख और अनुष्का ने एक साथ स्टेज पर किंग खान का सिग्नेचर स्टेप भी किया, जिसे देख फैंस तो जैसे दीवाने हो गए। तो दोस्तों, क्या आपको भी देखने को मिली इस फिल्म की कोई बढ़िया सी प्रमोशनल स्ट्रेटेजी? बताएं हमें नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में।
Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma starrer, the most anticipated flick of 2017, Jab Harry Met Sejal, has finally hit the silver screens. The film has taken a good start at box office on its opening day. During the morning shows, this Imtiaz Ali directorial have witnessed 35% occupancy, which is considered as a great start for two reasons. First, today is normal working Friday and this is just morning shows. Second is, film is getting wide release and even with decent occupancy, it will post healthy total for the day. Well, we hope the film shows further growth in its occupancy as the day progresses. It is expected that the footfall will increase by 90 to 95% by the evening shows. And the advance booking report for the day is also good, especially in later half of the day. This Shah Rukh Khan starrer is aiming for a 18 to 20 crore net opening. So what's your take on this? Do let us know. Share your thoughts in the comments section below.
The start of your mega clash between Kabil and Raees was indeed a fierce and long-running one. However, if you thought that there was still tension in the air around Hrithik and Shah Rukh about this marketplace feud, you thought wrong. In fact, Roshan Boy and King Khan are seemingly close buddies, as evidenced by a Twitter conversation they had this morning. Tweeting out about the impending Imtiaz Ali release, Hrithik tweeted, "My dear SRK, Anushka Sharma and Dean Genius Imtiaz, all the very best for the release today. Jab Harry Met Sejal in theaters now." SRK was not far behind either, replying, "Thanks so much baby, love you." Guys, it's very rare that I'd publicly admit to this, but this really made me go aww. Alongside the crazy cult following that is out dressed as Harry from the movie, it's a nice change of pace to see two Bollywood hunks being all sweet and gentle. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. Finally, Imtiaz Ali's much anticipated rom-com Jab Harry Met Sejal, starring Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma, has hit the silver screens. Well, we must say the whole film fraternity is going gaga over this latest release. And their excitement for the Shah Rukh Khan starrer can be concluded from their flooding best wishes on Twitter. Starting from Aamir Khan to Hrithik Roshan, everyone has given their best wishes to the Jab Harry Met Sejal team and also mentioned their wish to be a part of Harry and Sejal's journey. Produced by Red Chillies Entertainment, Jab Harry Met Sejal is a travel story starring SRK and Anushka in pivotal roles, wherein the duo will be seen portraying the titular characters of Harry and Sejal. So what's your take on this, guys? Are you guys as excited to see this romance saga as the rest of Bollywood apparently? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. और SRK के फैंस के इंतजार की घड़ियां बस खत्म हो ही गई हैं, लेकिन उनसे पूछें तो इतना इंतजार भी कुछ ज्यादा है। कुछ फैंस की दीवानगी तो सर चढ़कर बोल रही है। अब कर्नाटका के किंग खान रूल्स फैंस क्लब को ही ले लीजिए। इनके एक ट्वीट से साफ दिखता है इनका SRK के लिए बेहिसाब प्यार और उनके हैरी अवतार को देखने की तलब। इस फोटो में KKR FCB के सदस्यों ने दिखाया है JHMS से SRK का एक लाइफ साइज पोस्टर। है ना चौंका देने वाला दीवानापन। क्या आप भी जानते हैं किंग खान के किसी ऐसे दीवाने फैन को? हमें उनके बारे में जरूर बताएं नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में और जुड़े रहें हमारे साथ सिर्फ और सिर्फ बॉलीवुड स्पाई पे, बॉलीवुड की ऐसी ही तीखी तेज तरार नजरों के लिए।
Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming release Jab Harry Met Sejal is one of the mega releases of 2017. Starting from the trade analysts to audiences, everyone is waiting with a bated breath for August 4th. And seems like Shah Rukh's upcoming release will be a sure shot hit. Remember the much hyped box office battle of Raees and Kabil when Raees got 60% shows and the rest 40% was blocked by Kabil? With such consequences also, Raees was a box office hit. And this time, when Jab Harry Met Sejal has managed to get 90 to 95% shows, it's pretty much clear that this Imtiaz Ali directorial is going to be a blockbuster with houseful shows and greater occupancies than last time. Now talking about the film, the countdown for its release have already started. So, what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below.
It is an unspoken yet significant fact that the people of India truly live and die for the movies of their stars. And Jab Harry Met Sejal is really living up to the hype, as fans all over the world are responding with enthusiasm and rejoicing its release. Rallies, public dance performances, unbelievable crowds, they've got it all covered. Want a glimpse? We won't disappoint, because as you can already see, on its first day itself, people are going cuckoo crazy over the spectacle that is the release of King Khan's much anticipated Jab Harry Met Sejal. Dressing up to fit the facts of the film as they know it, some fans are out in tour guide costumes and similar, while others are letting off their energy in a Bhangra dance step as a homage to the Punjabi origins of King Khan's character in the film. But most of all, people are waiting in lines longer than the iPhone launch just to be the ones who got into the first day first show of this epic rom-com. So, how did you guys let loose today? Do let us know in the comments section below. For Bollywood Spy, this is Ishan signing off. Did you hear about the latest leak from Jab Harry Met Sejal? Yeah, you heard it right. It's not the first, the second, or even the last leak from this masterfully marketed movie that's already being touted as one of the biggest blockbusters of the year. In fact, we're pretty sure these other gems from the movie's plot are not leaks at all, but are carefully crafted clues to make our anticipation go through the roof. Anyway, this time, SRK accidentally leaked the fact that his character Harry actually wanted to be a singer, not the tour guide that he portrays at the beginning. In fact, King Khan went on to say that this is a crucial point for the plot. Will Harry ever become a singer? Or was it all just a pipe dream? Okay, wow. Just retelling that juicy nugget to you guys has actually made me want to see this epic in the making even more. How about you? Let us know your thoughts on this leak and more in the comment section below. And for more hot Bollywood gossip, don't forget to tune into Bollywood Spy. This is Ishan signing off. Hey guys, how much would you pay to watch a movie on its first day of release? I mean, with all the hype around movies with our fave superstars in them, I know I would pay quite a bit. But the number we have in mind right now, depending on how much of a hardcore fan you are, is gonna be at least a bit of a shocker. Yep, we have here for you the price of the most expensive ticket on pre-booking for the much hyped Jab Harry Met Sejal. Fans all over the country are dying to get a glimpse of King Khan in this Imtiaz Ali directed rom-com, but only the most dedicated, or more like crazy, will go to PVR Ambience Director's Cut for the unbelievable price of, wait for it, 2,400 rupees. I mean, with popcorn and a coke, you know that's going up to 3,000. Phew. Anyway, let us know what you think about this movie pricing. Cuckoo crazy, or just worth the sweet, sweet luxury of being one of the Khan crazy few? Do let us know in the comments section. These days, the King Khan of Bollywood, Shah Rukh, is super busy promoting his upcoming rom-com Jab Harry Met Sejal, which is slated to release on August 4th. But there are also some reports doing the rounds that might take a toll on this film's publicity. Recently, a man from Bhopal slapped a legal notice against SRK, apparently because he got rashes on his face after using a shaving cream which the superstar endorsed. However, talking about this legal battle, SRK's official spokesperson clarified the issue, saying first and foremost, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is currently not the ambassador of the said brand. The contract between the shaving cream brand and Mr. Khan terminated in April 2016. Also, we have not received any notice so far. So guys, what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. This is Ishan signing off. After promoting Jab Harry Met Sejal on several TV shows and in several different cities, now the makers of this upcoming flick reached the capital of the nation, Delhi. The makers were seen partying the whole night with the fans at Playboy Club in Delhi. Seems like the makers are on a promotional spree then. Now talking about the film, directed by Imtiaz Ali, Jab Harry Met Sejal or JHMS is all set to hit the silver screens on August 4th this year. That's just 2 days more. Wherein SRK and Anushka will be seen playing the titular characters of Harry and Sejal. So what's your take on this, guys? Do you think this is a good promotional strategy? Do let us know in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.